Hey guys, so now we have our first look at the Moto Z4 Play, courtesy of reliable leakster on leaks in collaboration with Compare Raja. The render suggests that the Moto Z4 Play and the flagship Moto Z4 could have a water drop notch similar to what we found on the OnePlus 6T and the Essential phone. The leak estimates the screen size at 6.2 inches and the overall size of the device 158mm in height, 75mm in width and 7.25mm in thickness, not including camera bump. Because this is a Play series phone, there is still a headphone jack next to the USB Type-C port. There is just a single camera on the front and the back, so that means we won't be seeing dual camera setup on the rear like the last year's Z3 Play. There is no obvious fingerprint sensor on this phone either. Older Moto phones had sensor on the front, but slimming down the bezels makes that impractical. So 2018 Moto phones moved to a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, but that's not present on the Z4 Play either. There are two options here, an in-display fingerprint sensor or no fingerprint sensor at all. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what you think about the new Moto Z4 Play. Also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.